Hello, my crunchified clean friends. So fresh and so clean. Okay, today we're talking about my absolute favorite mop pad. I get it from Microfiber Wholesale. They are the bomb diggity of all your awesome cleaning needs. So a flat mop is this. It's literally a flat mop. And then you put mop pads on it. You wash the mop pads. They're reusable and you save so much money. Not like those disposable little wet pads that you throw in the trash, or like a lunky mopping bucket where you're just wasting so much water and you have to dump it back in your toilet. Mop pads are the way to go. So this is what I get from Microfiber Wholesale. It comes with 2 mop pads and it comes with a dry duster one. Look at that. See all those fingers? All those little fingers? You can dust your floor with it. You can also dust your walls with it. Now these are the mop pads for mopping. Okay, if you're a girl, you know what I'm talking about. You want a nice thick pad for absorbency. Now, dollar store pads are okay if you just want to kind of keep it around your house, but honestly, it's cheap. It's cheap quality. It's cheap for a reason. It doesn't last. As a professional cleaner, you want good professional quality stuff. Microfiber Wholesale, their mop pads are amazing. Quality microfiber. So, you just put the mop pad together, and it comes with a telescopic pole, meaning this thing goes over 6 feet tall, or maybe over 7. I don't know. It's really high. Hey! So look, you can attach the duster and you can like dust your floors. Me personally, I like to vacuum, but you can do that if you want. Nobody's stopping you. You can dust your walls, going around my best maid plaque I've won several years in a row. Thank you very much. And you can even mop your walls. It's awesome. Microfiber Wholesale.